project dependencies. This keeps the environment clean and avoids conflicts with other Python projects. To do so, he types python-m venv, followed by the name he chooses for the environment, here captcha_env. This command creates a folder named captcha_env containing a standalone copy of Python and tools just for this project. And voila, the environment is now created. Next, Kim needs to activate it. To do so, he runs source, the name of the environment, then bin activate. And just like that, his terminal is now working inside the virtual environment. Anything he installs will stay inside this little sandbox. For an easier and more interactive experience, Kim installs Jupyter Notebook, a tool that lets him write and run code in the browser, perfect for testing small scripts step by step. Jupyter Notebook is installed by running pip install notebook. As you can see, it installs a lot of packages. These are the components Jupyter Notebook needs to work properly. After a short moment, voila, it's installed and ready to use. But Kim prefers something a bit more modern, so he also installs Jupyter Lab. This is done by running pip install Jupyter Lab. And voila, the installation finishes much faster because most of the required components were already installed when he set up Jupyter Notebook. Think of Jupyter Lab as the upgraded version of Jupyter Notebook. It's like a lightweight integrated development environment in your browser. You can write Python code in notebooks or .py scripts, open terminals, file browsers, and even run Markdown, all inside a single elegant interface. With everything installed, Kim can launch either Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. But as mentioned, Jupyter Lab is the more modern option, so he launches Jupyter Lab. And there it is, his hacking cockpit. From here, he can write Python scripts to solve CAPTCHAs, inspect web requests, even run terminal commands, all without leaving the browser. Kim clicks on the notebook icon, and a fresh Jupyter Notebook opens inside Jupyter Lab. He right-clicks on the Notebook tab and renames it, let's say, as CAPTCHA. Now he's ready to start writing code. But first, he needs to make sure the notebook is using the right Python interpreter, specifically, the one inside his virtual environment captcha_env. In Jupyter, this interpreter is called a kernel. You can always see which kernel is active by checking the top right corner of the notebook. Right now, it shows something like Python 3 ipykernel. But what does that mean? A kernel is the actual Python process that runs your code. It's the engine behind the notebook, the part that executes cells and returns output. When you install Python with Jupyter, you get a default kernel, usually named Python 3 ipykernel.